Today I'm gonna unbox and set up the Sonos Era 300. It has a very interesting box. I've never seen this before. It's like a lock design. You have to slide it up in order to open the package. Let me see. It's quite heavy. Wow. What an unboxing experience. Okay. Quite heavy. It looks way heavier than I expected. I'm gonna add it to my phone app, the Sonos on iPhone 15. To Prague, AC cord. Nothing else in the box. I do like the packaging and how easy it is to open if you know the trick. Right? This bag is interesting. There's a slider. I'm sure that's for volume control. Play and pause button. Let's plug it in. Has rubber feet, non-slippery. This is the bottom, and looks like it has mounting spots too. Microphone on-off switch. This cable, I'm sure, is proprietary. It's pretty long. And then there's a USB Type-C cable input. I'm sure that that's gonna be for service. Bluetooth pairing button. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna plug it in. This is my power meter. You can see the wattage, power consumption in real time. I'm gonna go to the setting page, select your product. It's searching for nearby product. Oh, done. That was quick. I'm gonna increase the screen brightness so you can see better. 1.7 watts power consumption. Continue. I'm supposed to put the phone close to this sound so it automatically recognizes the sound signature and is connecting to my Wi-Fi network without having to enter the username and password because it remembered my previous configuration. I'm gonna keep this one in the bedroom. That's fine. Update available. I'm gonna do update. It has Dolby Atmos support. There's a progress bar, downloading and apply software. It supports the tune with True Play that is adaptive to the surround of the acoustics of the room. Watch on the iPhone, listen on Sonos. Supports Apple AirPlay 2. Set songs as alarm. I can add alarm. Group speakers without the app. Hold the play and pause button on your speaker to group or ungroup rooms. And I can still see the finish upgrade here. Okay, done. Awesome. You like True Play for your Era 300? Sure, why not? But if I relocate this speaker to another room, it's going to have to recalibrate, I'm sure. Let's see how that works. Quick tuning. Begin. Make sure it's quiet. Tuning is complete. You will hear subtle improvements in bedroom at first and increase clarity the more you listen. Done. Awesome. Get to know. Start the product tour. Spatial 3D audio. Okay. Position for performance. Flat surface, leaving at least 8 inches of open space around the speaker. So this is not the ideal place to put it. I need to, keep at least 8 inches away. Placement tips. Playback control, play and pause. Oh, this is amazing bass. Incredible. Next track. Previous track. Volume control. Okay, volume adjustment. Press these 2 buttons for fine-tune adjustments. Press and hold to quickly change the volume. Bluetooth pairing, so I can use it as a Bluetooth speaker using the button behind it. There's a status light on the Bluetooth. I'm gonna give it 1 press. Should be able to see a blue indicator in there. Voice control. Tab to turn on or off. When the light is on, voice service is available. Microphone switch has to be on, okay. Microphone, true play, which we have just went through. Voice control, play music and control your system with hands-free ease and unmatched privacy. It will start with Hey Sonos. Hey Sonos. Did I mute the microphone? Yeah, no, I did not mute the microphone. Anyway, I'll have to figure that out later. Free music on Sonos Radio. Group videos. Stereo pairing, and supports stereo pairs. Interesting. All set, done. Music, Sonos Radio. New dance, play. Amazing bass. This thing is incredible. All right. Thank you very much for watching.